So let's talk about EigenLayer. This was requested a lot in comments. A lot of people talked about it. I mean, they requested. That's why I'm covering it. Right now it's sitting at $1.11, so it's $1.11. And I have covered this coin previously as well, but I think it is a bit long ago. Let's see if I can find the chart for Eigen, and then I'll try to do a catch up from there. Nope, I'm not able to catch it. Damn it. Anyway, EigenLayer from short-term perspective, and it should be rather easy. $1 is your psychological support, and if you look at it, it has a double top structure. This is your one top, and right now it is in action to go and create the second top, and your support line is at 1.00, which is $1. Eigen is going to get into a very tricky place. If it completes this structure and then it breaks this neckline, things will get a bit problematic. And when I say problematic, I mean really problematic, because losing $1 is going to break the overall confidence that people have in Eigen. And considering how it is attached to Ethereum, and Ethereum is right now bleeding badly, and I think that if Eigen loses its support area of $1 as well, it is going to add to the overall misery of this project, and then Eigen will start bleeding. So I'm going to talk about the two case scenario, because it is at a point of pivot. From here, it can actually go bullish and bearish at the same time. It is at 1.11. It is $1.11, so it's very close to its support area. This is a make and break situation. So let's talk about the upward direction, then we will talk about the downward direction. They both are lucrative. So the upward direction, if it holds on to $1, doesn't go below it for more than 2 days, what does that mean? It means if it doesn't close 2 daily candles with the bodies below $1, you should expect that Eigen is holding strong, and Eigen is going to pump 60% and go towards $1.6. But if Eigen fails, then what the hell do we expect? Well, that is a nice question. And to answer that, I'm going to show you the chart. Just a second. Your first drop on this coin is going to be towards 80 cents. That is minimum. You see this big ass structure of double top, $1 being your neckline. I'll draw it to you for here as well. Just a second. $1. Where did it go? Oh, there it is. This is your neckline at $1. This is your double top structure. If it completes and starts delivering, 80 cents is minimum. It will actually shoot down towards 60 cents. So you're talking about a really major crash. Now the crash looks like from $1 to 60 cents, it's only 40%, but you need to understand a 40% crash is actually a 80% crash, because going from 60 cents to $1 is going to be really dramatic and painful, because it is going to be it is going to what do you call it, take away all kinds of opportunities that you could have had if you had sold at $1. So you are getting eaten by both sides. Irrespective of that, I mean, forget about the losses and the profits. Like I said previously, if it loses the area of $1, things are going to become problematic for Eigen. And Eigen has a history of being really unstable whenever it loses the area of $1. And I'm not joking about it. This is the drop towards 60 cents. And look at how unstable Eigen is. The top is at $5.6. It shot up like that. Then it crashed towards 60 cents. And right now it is struggling with $1. And if it goes back to 60 cents, this neckline, you have this cup, and then this is the handle. Then again, this is a bearish structure, which puts us in a very uncomfortable situation that tells us that Eigen can go towards 30 cents as well. I mean, let's not get that bearish, let's not get that dramatic, but I'm saying that $1 is an extremely important area for Eigen. That's why I'm sharing all these bearish case scenarios. But from bullish perspective, like I said in the start, if it holds $1, minimum pump is 60% towards $1.6, and that's everything you need to know about Eigen. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.